So I just got home and found a nice little package from the hacksmith waiting at my door, and it's my new Smith blade. So I figured maybe we should open it up together and just check it out. So this is my current EDC. It's an old Kershaw. It should have a torsion bar spring assist, but I broke it because I use it a lot. Stickers! Things. So this is the Smith Blade Lite. Stickers. A drill bit holder thingy. And I did get the deep pocket clip. Open this up. So I did go with the Smith Blade Lite. I'm not the kind of person that needs a multi-tool in my pocket every day, but I wanted a really nice knife. And it's green. That. Green, anodized. That's what I've been waiting for. Oh no. Oh, that's just the best thing ever. Yeah. Ooh, that is pretty. Let's figure out all the things that this one comes with. So we got the ruler, of course, the knife. Tweezers. Metric ruler. Pretty sure this is a nail file. And the protractor, which really is super, super cool. Love the color. I was a little worried about the color based on, you know, online pictures, but this is pretty. Hacksmith logo. So curious about how it goes and fits. It rides high. So that belt loop is definitely, or belt clip, definitely kind of high. It's a little tight. I'm sure you can just bend that out a little bit, work it in, but I want to see what it's like with this other belt loop. So this was an extra add-on, an extra charge. So got belt clip, bunch of screws. Do we get a tool? Do we get a tool to chain? Oh no. Uh-oh. I don't think we get a tool. Let me get a tool. Hold on. So it looks like they're T9s. Quickly pull that. Do a good job. It does look like you can pop the belt clip on that side too. Just kind of nice. Let's give this guy, this has gotta be the short screws. These guys in here. Snugged up nicely. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, much, much better. Love how low that sits. It's nice, low profile. It's gonna take a while for me not to like reach for a thumb stud. Not used to the back flick thingies. But that is super nice. And with pocket clip turned around on like the deep carry clip, goes really deep in that pocket. So super low profile. You do need to worry about this guy sticking out. So I don't know if you got something in your pocket that guy might hit or when it's coming out, but that's all a you problem. And for those who are curious, this is the original pocket clip flipped around. And that's how deep that will sit. So pretty similar to the deep pocket clip flipped around on the other side. You know, it's a thing. I need new jeans. I guess we should probably see if it cuts something. All right, just like some cardboard craft paper, 0.015 of an inch, 0.4 of a millimeter. Yeah, all right. That works. And the standard paper test. Uh-oh. Do I not know how to hold it? I don't know how to hold paper. There we go. User error. So, not gonna lie, this thing is pretty dang sweet. This is not sponsored in any way. I paid my money for this knife, mainly because it's green. And I also didn't need a full-on multi-tool. So, you know, all the things that it has is more than I even need. I just wanted a knife. But it's got a lanyard pin, the rulers, nail file, blade, wire strippers in these little holes. Strip your wire. Reversible belt clip. Tweezers, which is nice because I am in a wood shop. And only 88 grams. Let's see about that. So I've got scale, set to grams, 90. So belt clip probably. And that compared to my old Kershaw, 110. Look at these things. That's nice. See little wire stripper holes in there. Love it. So huge shout out to Hacksmith for making something really cool and something you can shave with. That's lovely. Anyways, I'm happy. So go get a knife if you want a knife. They come in green. Oh, you just can't. You just gotta do it.